Yeah. Netflix will figure it out. I'm not too worried.
Okay.
I mean, I'm worried in this. I mean, I don't hold any shares.
Right, yeah.
But they're going to be around. That's all I'm saying. Streaming Music Report sheds light on the battle between Spotify, Amazon, Apple, and Google, global streaming music subscription market here. How it's distributed, I suppose.
Yeah, it's a nice little chart here.
Spotify got 31%. Shout out Spotify. Playing amongst the giants. They're like the Netflix of this space, sort of, although, yeah, and they did get a bit of a head start, but they're hanging in there, 31% of total subscribers. Apple Music, 15%. Amazon Music, 13%. Tencent Music, 13%. YouTube Music, 8%. NetEase, that's the one you're subscribed to.
Look at this one.
Deezer, Yandex, and then other.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, outside of guys like you that using NetEase, most people are on the Spotify, although I'm on YouTube Music and Spotify. I don't have Apple Music or Amazon.
You don't use Deezer?
I do not use Deezer. I was looking at a chart the other day of how much artists get paid per stream on different platforms. It's actually quite a discrepancy. It's not equivalent.
No.
Spotify was the largest music streaming service in the world as of the second quarter of 2021 with a market share of 31%, with Apple Music in second place at 15%. Yeah, we just heard that. Although exact subscriber numbers and market shares may have changed in the months since Q2 2021, the report sheds light on how the world's biggest music streaming services are stacking up against one another. Spotify releases official subscriber numbers at the end of each quarter. Competitors like Apple and Amazon are less forthcoming with the exact figures. I don't know how long you can hang on for. I mean, they started buying talent, right? Spotify, as we know in the podcast space, in order to maintain that lead, create the habit, make sure people keep booting up Spotify. They got the integration into Tesla, which made me boot up Spotify a couple more times. But yeah, it's a brand that is just synonymous with streaming music. So they've got a nice little advantage there.